Well, hello YouTube, Steve Patton with General Patton Bushcraft back with you friends. I'm back out in the backyard and it's a super windy day. It's been windy all night. I got ponderosa pine needles all over the yard. I need to start a fire, clean up this mess and burn up these pine needles. And I got a couple of choices. I could use a ferro rod, I could use the cotton ball fire roll, flint and fire steel. I think I'm going to use the cotton ball fire roll today just to start a fire, clean up this mess. Stay with me, I'll show you how I do it. Just in time, friends, we're starting to get a little bit of rain.
Let the wind do it. There we go, friends. Thank you for stopping by the channel. Before you leave, please consider subscribing. We got this fire going just in time before the rain. I got to get this mess cleaned up. I appreciate everything you do for the channel. All your likes, all your views, all your shares. Most importantly, all your comments. Leave me a comment. Let's back this up from the fire a little bit. Please, please don't depart from the faith. And if you haven't already, give your life to Christ. Friends, He died for you, loves you very much. Do it today. Don't wait. And as always, God is good. God is great. I see y'all on the next video. Already got a date.